This video will review the steps to remove and install modules in a Daktronics SDN series stanchion display. First, ensure power to the display is disconnected, then use a Phillips screwdriver or 5/16 nut driver to remove the screws securing the top cap to the display. After the screws are removed, remove the top cap. Next, slide the plexiglass sheet up and out of the top of the display. We will now remove the module. To avoid injury or damage when working from height, loop a safety lanyard through the handle on the back of the module and secure it to another area of the display. Remove the module by pulling the top of the module away from the mounting sheet, then remove the power and signal connections. Pull the module up and out to release the bottom hooks from their openings in the mounting sheet. To install a module, reconnect the power and signal cables. Insert the bottom hooks into the corresponding openings on the mounting sheet. Push the module back into position until the magnet latches into place. Replace the plexiglass sheet by sliding it into place from the top of the display. Replace the top cap, then insert and tighten the 4 screws to secure it in place. Thank you for viewing this video. Visit Daktronics.com/support for additional videos and support resources for this and other Daktronics products.